Yes, this video is for beginners. Okay, so if you have started learning English in just a few days, then you must watch this video till end, because in this video I will tell some grammars and some things which is really useful to start speaking English. And if we prepare this thing, then we can easily start speaking English. So which things are important to start speaking English? Okay, so about this thing I gonna speak. So to start speaking English, we need some things, okay, and we need some knowledge, and about this thing we have to prepare. And if we prepare this thing, then we can easily start speaking English, because to speak English is not a big deal. To speak English is not hard. To speak English is very easy. And if you prepare these things and then you start speaking English, then you cannot make mistake, and then you can easily start speaking English. So which are the thing which is really helpful? So yes, so first of all, though, we have to learn grammars. Yes, not whole grammars, but yes, we need to learn important grammar. Then we have to learn modals, which modals are really important. Then we have to learn prepositions. Then we have to learn conjunction. Then we have to learn adjective, adverb, degrees. So these are the things which we have to learn. And if we prepare this thing, and then we can easily start speaking English, because in speaking English we just need knowledge. So if we have about these things knowledge, then we can easily start speaking English, because these are the thing which are used in speaking English. So that's why I'm saying this thing. Prepare this thing and then see that, because when you read tenses, so if you read a tense, then you can easily understand that, okay, for future what do you have to use, for past what do you have to use, and for present what do you have to use. So you understand properly, and then you can easily make a story by using past. And if you want to make story about present, then you can easily make a story. And if you want to make about a story future, then you can easily make, because tenses teaches us to relate with the time, because we know that we have three types of time. It is called past, present and future. Yes, if we have knowledge about this, then we cannot make mistake. Then we have to move on. Then we have to learn modals. So modals, if we learn, then we can easily understand, yes, that yes, I have to use it. It means to show my ability, I have to use can, could, and will be able to. As if I have to show my desire, then I have to use want, wants, wanted, would like. So like this type of thing we understand if we learn modals. Then we have to move on. Then we have to learn preposition. So preposition and conjunction are very important in learning English, because by using preposition and conjunction we can easily make long sentences. Yes guys, sentences become long because of this conjunction and preposition. So that's why we have to learn conjunction and preposition very deeply, because if we have knowledge about this thing, then we can easily connect the sentences, then we can easily relate with the sentences. Yes, if we prepare, if we learn preposition, then we can easily start the relationship, because preposition is used to start the relationship. And if we learn conjunction, then we can easily connect the sentences, because connection is used to connect the sentences. That's why these things are important. Then we have to learn more, and we have to learn an adjective. So adjective is used to show, means more reality, and to add noun and pronoun. So means if we have knowledge about adjective, then we can easily use it. Like right, Sam is an honest boy. So here honest is an adjective. So we had knowledge about adjective, that's why we could say Sam very honest. So that's why we have to learn about adjective. So after learning adjective, we have to move on. We have to learn adverb. And if we learn adverb, because in adverb we learn that adverb is used to add value in adjective, adverb and verb. Like right, I spoke English fluently, I went there currently, and right, I made sentences quickly. So quickly, suddenly and smartly. Means all these things, okay, are here work as an adverb. So that's why we have to learn about adverb. So if we have knowledge about this thing, then we can easily speak, and we can easily add the value in our action and everything. Then we have to learn, okay, degree. Yes, why should we learn degree? First of all, though, we must have like this type of question that, okay, what is the importance of learning degree? So if we learn degree, then we can easily compare one subject to other subject, and we can easily start the one subject like as another subject, and we can easily write okay, means increase one subject's value compared to all the other subjects. So degree teaches us this thing that yes, if you, okay, learn positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, then you can easily compare, you can easily okay, means connect, and you can easily start the important of the noun or pronoun. So that's why we have to learn degree. And then, and last but not least, that is called verb. Verb is the heart of learning English. Everybody know about this thing. Yeah, in verb there are some action verbs or means a direct verb. So we have to learn all the verb, right? Because if you have verb power, then you can easily do anything, because verb is used anywhere, and verb makes our sentences really good. And that's why we have to learn like this type of sentences. So if you are a beginner, then you must prepare this all these thing about which I have told you. So if you prepare this thing, then you can easily start speaking, because I have told you, right, important of all this thing. So that's why you have to prepare all these thing. So start learning like this type of thing, and prepare yourself, and then see the result. If you really want to speak English, if you really have this burning desire that okay, you have to start speaking English, then you must prepare these things and then see the result. Then you can easily start speaking English. So if you really learned something from my video, and if you think that my video will help you, then make sure subscribe my channel and share this video as possible as you can, because as you learn, you must share this video so that your friend, your cousins and your relatives can learn. So yes, keep learning. And if you really want like this type of video, then stay with me. I will upload like this type of video which are really helpful to beginners and all the learners. So yes, stay with me and take care.